about the steering wheel, it's sick, man. It's awesome. It makes driving experience in video games so much better. Now I'm playing a lot of Test Drive Unlimited 2. It's a game long forgotten. It's a very old game from 2011, I think. Also, I drove a lot of Euro Truck Simulator 2 as well. But I prefer the experience on Test Drive Unlimited because you can drive faster and it's more dynamic and the street is more interesting. The view is more interesting. Yeah, this is wonderful. Best purchases ever. It's only 90 euro or 80, 90 euro, something like that. It's not expensive, but it really changes the way you play racing games. I'm really happy about it. At first it was difficult to set up, but eventually I figured it out. It's also includes a pedal. Obviously, it's pretty cool. Alright. The only issue is that you don't have the shifting gear, the stick. So that would be very cool, very realistic. But now I use this to shift. It's also pretty nice. Well, yeah, someday I get the stick. It's pretty cool. Oh, look at my spin. Also, I signed up for German and Italian courses at a local school, university, community, college kind of thing. So it's very cheap. It's to serve the community, and it's very, very interesting. A lot of fun. Had my first lessons this week, and had my first Italian one this morning. Yeah, it's a pretty awesome experience. I'm looking forward to more of these. Taking part of the lessons, classes, and to get to know more people and talk to people. And also in the German class, the teacher also speaks Italian. She speaks perfect Italian, and sometimes she explains something in Italian, and then I can, also practice my Italian in my German class. So that's awesome. Yeah, super hyped about German class as well, because I really need to pick up the language again. It's been 5 years that I don't speak German, and it would be a shame if I just toss it away. I'm trying to sell this A6300 plus the 18-105, this combo. I want to sell it for about 900 euros on second-hand market. Let's hope we can find a buyer. Sometimes it takes a while. Sometimes it takes courage. You have to lower the price to a point that you just cry, your tears dry out, but you have to do it. Otherwise people don't buy it because it's secondhand. Yeah, this camera works perfectly fine. The problem is that I'm not using it. It's small, compact, but I'm obsessed with full frame, and I have a nice lineup of full frame lenses. So I think it will make more sense if I just completely transition to full frame. Since if I have A7RII and A6200 both in my hand, I would always choose to shoot with A7RII. So let's just get rid of the APS-C system. This camera makes a beautiful view. I even thought about transition to Fujifilms or Panasonic GH4, GH5, something like that. But in the end, we have so many Sony lenses, can't just waste them. If you transition to an APS-C and a different system, you have to buy all the new different lenses. Oh, that would be a huge hassle. And why bother getting small sensor when you have full frame Sony? I'm going to get some kebab. Junk food. Yay! Creepy passageway shot. Pizza instead in the end.